Hi friends, today we are going to discuss another theory of development or stages of developments that is given by Erik Erikson. He is one of the famous psychosocial analyst or psychoanalyst psychologist. Right from his from the child's birth, social development puts emphasis under specific pressures. Erikson realized that conflict is called as crisis. By making specific demands at different ages or developmental ages of his life, individual tries to meet the individual specific needs or to resolve those crises by reacting psychologically in his own way depending upon the circumstances. So here environment plays social role or important role to define the social condition of the individual. So at each stages of his development, child faces a new crisis. That issues need to be resolved at particular stages of development. So Erikson discovered eight such issues or crises of life arising one's developments, which is linked with the different stages of development, different stages of human development. First stage is infant or infancy stage, that is the age from birth to 1.5 years. The psychological crisis is trust and mistrust. Trust and mistrust. Let's understand what is trust and mistrust. The period of trust and mistrust, it is the between the age of first and a half year of life. The infant is confronted with the crisis term as trust and mistrust. During this period, a newborn baby is completely depend upon its mothers or caretaker for the satisfaction of its needs. The way its nourishment and handled and protected and kept safe and comfortable at this stage may provide the baby with sense of some security or insecurity, a feeling of trust or mistrust in the mother or caretaker, and ultimately in its surroundings. So it means जब एक बच्चे को अच्छे से केयर लिया जाता है, वो क्या करता है न, उनमें हम देखते हैं कि वो एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करते हैं। जैसे मदर अपने बच्चे को केयर करते हैं, उससे क्या होता है ना, उनके अंदर एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होता है। सोशल कंडीशन में, एक सामाजिक परिस्थिति में जो उनके सराउंडिंग में आसपास होते हैं, उनके वजह से एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होता है, जो बच्चा उनको ट्रस्ट करने लगता है। इससे क्या होता है ना, एक होप डेवलप होता है, होप। देन इट बिकम्स ट्रस्ट। जब वो ट्रस्ट नहीं कर पाता है, देन इट बिकम्स मिसट्रस्ट। सो फर्स्ट स्टेज डील्स विद ट्रस्ट एंड मिसट्रस्ट. सोशल कंडीशन enhance the students or child hope, you can say that, child hope. So next stage is the period of autonomy, shame and doubt. So in this stage, with the newly developed motor organs or physical skills and language ability, child now engaging in exploring his environment by experimenting with his her strength limitation for achieving shame and doubt. So autonomy means independentness. The child now needs to proper safety and measures and against the risks involved activities like walking and running, pulling and handling something. So individual or child try to explore or experiment something. So during that stage, or within the bounds of safety measures, he must be provided adequate opportunities for the acquisitions of sense of autonomy and knowledge about his or limitations. So child who are denied the opportunity, that leads to shame and doubt. Overprotective and restricted parents begins to doubt or develop their ability to doubt himself or herself. Then it becomes feel embarrassed and ashamed in the presence of others. So a healthy sense of doubt and shame with reasonable limits help the child to set his wills, or it leads to willpowers. And development of shame helps him to develop a sense of right and wrong. So psychosocial developments needs to balance between autonomy, shame and doubt. Then third stage is preschool stage, that is age between 3 to 6 years. Psychological crisis is initiative versus guilt. Then the virtue is purpose. So the child now begins to take some initiative or leading interacting with his environment. Here she asks some question about the each and everything. He explore his environment carelessly and engage in planning and caring about the activities of various kinds. So the extent to which the child take initiative for carrying out physical or intellectual exploration, which is encouraged or discouraged by the parent and available social environment. So in this case, child discouraged from the taking initiative or any kind of initiative by his or parents or guardians, not having faith in him, leads to ultimately criticism and punishment. Then child feel like guilt. So although in case of some failure, he feels a reasonable amount of guilt for having failed to take such type of initiative, or they committed some mistakes or made mistake in planning or carrying out his activities. So this enables to learn from his failures. If you allow the child to experience with his initiative by properly supervising or guiding his activities and encouraging him to develop a habit of self evaluations, the result of his initiative leads to purpose. That is, social virtue is purpose. So here initiation activities, self consciousness, sexual identity is essential. That is social conditions, social virtue. Next stage is school age. That is school going age from 6 to 12 age. 12 years of age. Psychological crisis is industry and inferiority. What is industry and inferiority? So now parents now begins to make some demands on the child to provide some household duties and activities. They have to also compete with their peers, with their friends, in terms of competency and productivity and knowledge and other social situation. So such a condition, child will lead or motive to work harder and harder and achieve more in terms of competency and leads to develop some productive skills. So in his performance remains inferior to that his peers, or he does not satisfy his teachers or parent with his performance, then it leads to inferiority. So to looking downward himself herself, develop a sense of inferiority. When a child feeling our ability to compete with the peers, with the friends, then it is industry. So industry becomes skill oriented. So the virtue is competency. Here a child tries to develop a sense of worthy by refining their skills. So for the child, the school becomes the place where success and failures are defined. Then it is the duty of the teacher and school authorities to structure the classroom and school environment in such a way that help these students to maintain a positive attitude and view themselves as a capable and valuable individuals. Next stage, that is important stage of human development, that is adolescent stage, stages of problem or stages of unrealism. That is adolescent stage from the age between 12 to 19 years. The psychological crisis is identity versus role confusion. Here child are more confused with the activities. Beginning of the stage or beginning of the puberty, which is marked by the crisis of identity and role confusion. Because of sudden and rapid changes of physical and physical, social, emotional aspects, the sudden changes of their bodies and mental functioning, which is create altness and demands of the society, then individual try to compel to ask such type of questions to themselves, like who am I, what I have become, am I the same person I used to be, what am I supposed to do, which manner am I to have to behave. So such type of question arise during the adolescent stage. So Erikson identify adolescent stage searching questions or questioning and then redefining his or her own social psychological identity. During the early stages, individual link with his sudden and rapid changes, then some of the crises like anxiety, pressure related to his or need, which creates developmental aspects about future educations and career. So here the child experiment with various sexual, occupational, educational and role to understand who is and what he can do or what he can be. So the extent to which an individual is able to sense of identity will depend upon the how they resolve the problem. Then showing a type of child which is impulsive behavior or developing conformity in taste and style, intolerance with others, and teachers and parents can apply a very constructive way in helping adolescent students through this identity versus role confusion. Here they must be assigned some responsibilities, work and independent work, and collectively be trusted for their promise and conduct. So here many role child can self imagine, and they can try to integrate many roles like playing child role, sibling role, student role, athletic role. So it is a challenging task for the learner. Next stage is next stage is young adulthood. Young adulthood, it is the age between 20 to 45. Here the psychological crisis, intimacy versus isolations. So here this is the sixth stage of psychosocial developments given by Erik Erikson. That is the span of early adulthood or young adulthood. So during this stage, individual tries to develop sense of intimacy or commitment to a close relationship with another person. So heterosexuality or life partners, it becomes a close relationship. Then Erikson believed that it was vital period. People develop close and committed relationship with the other people. Those who are successful at this step will develop the relationship that committed and secure. That is committed and secure. So commitment to another person's. One thing one should remember that each step builds one skills, which is learned in previous steps. So Erikson believed that a strong sense of personal identity was important to develop some important identity and intimate relationship. So students have to demonstrate that those with a proper sense that leads to balance between emotional isolations. Those who are not involving in establishing relationship, they are suffering from emotional isolation, loneliness, and depression. Then it becomes crisis for the individuals that leads to isolations. So here relationship, love, affection learns to make personal commitment. So is essential during this stage. The virtue is love. Love is important during the young adulthood stage. Means love towards partners, love towards childrens, and love towards profession is essential. The next stage is middle age, that is 45 to 65 years age. So psychological crisis is generativity and stagnations. So generativity and stagnations, that is coming under middle adulthood. So during adulthood or middle adulthood,